Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop navigation in Waze. So if you have reached your destination or want to end your current trip, you can stop navigation in Waze in just a few steps. So actually guys, at first you'll need to open Waze while a route is currently active, and then just look at the bottom of the navigation screen, right, and then tap the ETA bar at the bottom of the screen, right, and tap on stop and confirm if Waze asks you to stop navigation. So actually guys, some versions of Waze, just like mine, doesn't have or include that option. So what to do in that case, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up Waze, close it completely, and now just reopen it, right? And then the route will be cancelled automatically. So your active route will be cancelled as I said, and Waze will return to the regular map view. So depending on your Waze version, you may also see a stop button directly on the navigation screen. You can just tap it to end the current route, and stopping navigation does not delete your saved places or change your Waze account settings. So you can enter a new destination whenever you are ready. So we have three ways to do that. Whether you can tap on ETA button and then just confirm, tap on stop button, then just confirm, or just restart the app. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.